Is the loading speed of your website more than 5 seconds? Or is your shared WordPress hosting provider unable to meet the needs of your growing website? Or let's say, do you want to focus on your core business goals and want to outsource the WordPress website maintenance to some WordPress experts? So if the answer is yes, then guys, this video is for you. Welcome to DML TV. My name is Shobit, and in this video, I'll be reviewing Kinsta Managed WordPress Hosting Provider, and I show you the loading time of my websites, which are less than 2 seconds, that are hosted on Kinsta. In this video, I'll be reviewing the technical and the security features offered by Kinsta, and I also have a bonus information for you. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with the detailed Kinsta review today, and let's try to answer the basic question of what is Kinsta. So Kinsta is a managed WordPress hosting provider for websites created on WordPress. If in case you're using another CMS like Joomla, Shopify or Weebly, then Kinsta is definitely not for you. Okay, so now let's take a minute to understand what is WordPress managed hosting. So a WordPress managed hosting is a specialized hosting for WordPress websites that actually takes care of different technical needs of a WordPress website, like security, speed, WordPress updates, backups, uptime, scalability, etc. So as a customer or as a website owner, you need not to worry about any technical aspects of the website apart from your core business goals, and this helps you to focus on your business needs exclusively. So managed hosting providers are a preferred choice if in case you're opting for a WordPress hosting. Compared to shared hosting, managed hosting platforms are more secure and have a robust architecture that actually means peace of mind. So for people like many of us who really do not have time to take care of technical aspects, or for people who are solo entrepreneurs, managed WordPress hosting is a great value addition. So Kinsta as a managed hosting provider thus assumes its importance because Kinsta managed hosting platform, they take care of all the website semantics and they let you focus on your core business. So now let's get into Kinsta review. We'll be talking about the following. So we'll start with Kinsta Dashboard overview, and then we'll talk about the technical features offered by Kinsta. We'll also see the security features that Kinsta offers. We'll look at the analytics and the different reports that Kinsta allows its users to access. We'll then look at the support provided by Kinsta, and we'll see how good or how bad they were while answering to my queries. So I have raised some support tickets, and I'll show you how good or how bad they were. We'll then look at the Kinsta pricing plan, and guys, at the end I do have a bonus for you. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end, and then you'll have a bonus information for you. So let's start by looking straight into the dashboard. So Kinsta names its dashboard as MyKinsta Dashboard, which I feel is much better than the usual cPanel dashboard. So I do find cPanel a bit complex because it serves a large audience, while Kinsta remove all the clutters and they serve a niche, that is the WordPress websites only, which I feel is a good strategy. So this is how the Kinsta dashboard looks like. On left part, I have my websites listed here. Then on the right, there's a resource usage section where I can see number of visits, the CDN usage, and the disk usage details. Then there's a notification section. Then I have data transfer and the unique visits, insights, the CDN usage, and then at last is a resource section. So let's have a quick look on the other tabs present here. So let's go to sites. And here I can see there are 2 websites that I have created. So my plan allows 3 websites, but I have created only 2. And let me click on FrameDX. So this is a test site that I have created, and this is the test site, framedx.com. I have installed an Astra starter theme, which is a lightweight SEO theme, and I have installed an e-commerce store. So there are a lot of products that I have added here. For example, there are around 12 images. And then I have different pages like about page, contact page, then there is a my account page, there is a home page, etc. Right? So let's get back to MyKinsta, and we can see the details. So there are different sections. For example, there's a basic info section that shows my website details. I've chosen the data center as Mumbai, but you can choose data center from the list of 24 locations throughout the USA, Europe, Asia Pacific, and South America. Then on the domain section, there are the domains that I have created. On the backups, so Kinsta gives you an option for daily, hourly, or manual backups. There are also some staging and live environment. If in case you want to switch to a different environment, you can switch instantly on click of a button. Then there are different tools. These tools are majorly for the developers. So if in case you are into WordPress or PHP development, these tools are gonna add delight factor into a day-to-day operations. Next, there are redirect. If in case you want to use redirect or you want to add a redirect rule, you can easily use this section. Then there are WP WordPress plugins section that shows you all the plugins that I have installed on my FrameDX website. The next is an IP deny section. If in case you are facing a bot attack or a spammers or hackers are pinging you, then you can add that particular IP into this section, and the website gets blocked. Next is Kinsta CDN. So Kinsta gives you a CDN for free, which is included into this into the hosting plan. So I have activated this, and I'll show you how the speed looks like after using the Kinsta CDN. This really speeds up the loading speed of the website. Then there are log section, so it gives you the different types of logs that are generated. Next is migration section. So Kinsta gives you, I mean, in my plan, Kinsta is giving me 1 premium migration credit. So if in case I want to request a migration credit from the WordPress experts of Kinsta, I can easily do that, and they'll do it for free. Otherwise, there are some basic migration also which are always available for free. Then there's a Kinsta DNS section that gives you all the name server details. Then we have a Kinsta analytics section that gives you the insights or the reports on resources, CDN usage, and the dispersion, which is mobile versus desktop comparison. Then the performance reports. So these are more for developers. If you are into WordPress development, these details are good for you. The different response codes that my website is generating for the visitors, for example 44, 500, 30 redirects, etc. Then the caching details, and then at last we have a geo and IP section that shows the traffic I am getting from different geos and the different IPs. Next is company details, wherein my plans, my invoices, payment methods, billing details, etc. are added here. Then we have a user management section wherein we can invite users or add users and give them different access for the website. Then there is an activity log that actually captures the different activities that we perform on this platform. And at last, there is a knowledge base. So guys, there is a quick overview of the MyKinsta Dashboard. Now let's get back and let's see the different type of technical features and the security features that Kinsta offers. Great. So now let's look at the tech features that Kinsta provides. So Kinsta uses Google Cloud Platform deployment regional wise, which allows you to choose a data center from the list of 24 locations throughout the US, Europe, Asia Pacific and South America. So it doesn't matter actually which place you belong to in this world, but you will have an option to choose a data center so that you can give right speed to your website visitors. And trust me, these servers are highly optimized, and I'll show you live in this video how good these servers are, so that how fast your page loads on Kinsta. Great. So all of Kinsta WordPress hosting servers are fast with premium SSD storage and are built on Google Cloud Platform that provides its users with faster data transfer speed. Then there are backups and staging environments. So Kinsta is partnered up with a key CDN around 34 locations across the globe, which helps to turbocharge the assets and media on the websites. Depending upon the various kinds of plan it offers, Kinsta offers CDN ranging from 50 GB to 1000 GB at no additional cost. So Kinsta servers allows full page caching that gives faster page loads and eliminates the need for WordPress caching plugins. Then all of Kinsta plan comes with auto scaling features, which means Kinsta servers can respond to a sudden surge in traffic. Okay, so now look at Kinsta security features. So Kinsta gives you security features like SSL, SSH, and monitors your website day and night. There are uptime checks, there are daily backups, and there are staging environments to prevent any kind of data loss. Then Kinsta protects your websites from unwanted attacks and malicious activities. It repairs the website code, it removes infected plugins and themes, and these are all done on an automated basis. Then after all this, Kinsta gives you a hack fix guarantee. So Kinsta promises if a WordPress website is hacked while hosted at Kinsta, they'll work for free to try and undo the damage. Okay, so guys, before we move to the next part, let me show you what the loading speeds are when my website is hosted on Kinsta. So let me open GT metrics and tools ping down. Let's paste it here. Let's choose center as Mumbai because my data center is in Mumbai, and let's click on analyze. The same, let's do it here for tools ping down. Let's choose the data center as Asia and let's start the test. Great guys, so you can see I mean the fully loading time is only less than 1 second. The total page speed is only 66 KB. So if you scroll below, and you can see all green here, there is no red. Let's see what Stool Pingdom has to give. Oh my god, great. Oh my god. So the total load time that Tools Pingdom gives for Asia server is 781 millisecond. So guys, this is something which is done on the fly, and you can see how fast your website is. So let's see how Kinsta is replacing the WordPress plugins. And guys, this was the bonus information that I was talking earlier. So Kinsta is replacing following plugins. So Kinsta replaces backup plugins like Updraft Plus, because all Kinsta plan comes with backup options, some automatic backup options. They are daily, they are manual, they are hourly backup plans for you to choose from. Then it replaces the caching plugins like WordPress, like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache. It also replaces the analytics plugin like Monster Insights, because it is giving you all the right analytics reports right into the MyKinsta Dashboard. It also replaces the CDN plugins. There is a CDN feature that comes plugged with the Kinsta hosting plan. Then Kinsta also replaces the need to have uptime check plugins like Jetpack. Then Kinsta also replaces needs to have a user role plugins like User Role Editor, because there is a user management section in MyKinsta Dashboard. So let's now see how Kinsta support looks like. So for you as a customer, support is very crucial from a hosting provider, and I'm happy to say that Kinsta provides a world-class support of 24/7/365. So it appoints service engineers who have experience in troubleshooting and helping the users. So in the duration of 2 months where I have hosted my 2 sites on Kinsta, I have raised multiple tickets to get help on website migrations, setting up a website, DNS propagation, SSL issues. So let me show you now how my queries were responded and how good or how bad they were in responding my queries. So this is the latest one which I raised today only, when I had an issue with SSL. And you can see that there was issue with my SSL and my website did not have a secure connection. They were very prompt. I get a response almost immediately, and they have replied with the content issues that I had, and they were very prompt. They helped me with the doc where I could go and fix a part myself, and then they also ran an update on their end, so that it helped me, right? And you can see, I mean, I have rated a 5-star support here. So they have been awesome. So this is another support ticket that I raised when I just started with Kinsta, and I wasn't able to access the sites that I have installed on Kinsta. And you can see the good support I have got. They were very much prompt in helping me with all the right details, helping clarifying my doubts, helping me with my questions, and they made sure that I really had all the necessary details for me. Then I had one more, that I created some 2 weeks ago, and you can see the communication. Probably the emojis here will show you, I mean, how good they have been with me and how helpful they have been with me. I wasn't able to add an A record. They did it on their own. They also showed, I mean, everything was sorted, and I got the right help. So guys, from the support, on the support part, Kinsta has been doing awesome. I have no complaints, and I'm very proud to say that Kinsta is well supported by some WordPress experts that actually give you an awesome user experience if you're choosing Kinsta as your hosting provider. Now let's get to a crucial information that I'm sure you are looking for: the pricing plan. So Kinsta offers a very good range of pricing plan. The starter plan starts from $30 per month for one WordPress install in 25,000 visits with 10 GB SSD space with free SSL and CDN. Then as you upgrade, the number of offerings increase. For example, for a Pro plan, which starts with $60 per month, you can have 2 WordPress installed for 50,000 visits. They also have 4 sub plans within business plan that ranges from $100 per month to $400 per month. That again, it varies with the different offerings. So you can choose your plan as per your budget, as per your website capacity, as per the visitors that visit your website. They also have an enterprise section wherein they have plan ranging from $600 per month to $1,500 per month. Again, these are probably for the large enterprise. So there's a link below for Kinsta pricing calculator. Please feel free to click that link and explore the different pricing plans Kinsta offers.